are assessing all of the appliances, and obviously we're on the stove here. This has never been done here. Oh, I heard it. It can't be a complicated system. Oh, I'll tell you what, that is exciting. It works. We got one burner. Oh, baby. Yeah. So right now the pilot should be lit, but it's, you know, I gotta light it obviously. Oh, I think it just lit. It's lit. Something's changed. Oh, oh, oh!
There it is.
It's lit! We are beginning to dive in to the vintage Wedgewood RV stove and oven. I'm not even gonna open the oven. You've seen it in other videos. Okay? The stank. The stank. We're gonna disassemble this. Hopefully I can get this thing completely disassembled to the point where we can get each sheet metal panel out, power wash it, chemicals, gloves, elbow grease. We got to get the mice, feces, and urine out of there. Disassembly. Got the burners soaking. And the hardware swirling. Right there. We have all parts scrubbed and drying. Look at the glistening. Look at the chrome. Look at this front handle. That's not what matters. What matters is the stank in this poop chute here. Let's see. Oh man, I can't smell mouse. That's pretty impressive. Barkeeper's friend and a stainless steel scrub and steel wool extra fine. Okay, we have the Wedgewood oven reassembled. Take a look at that. Was very cautious. Haven't tried it yet. Very cautious on removing all of the fragile pieces. Pop this up. Slides out. I couldn't get all the rust off. I mean, I could have if I wanted to, but you know, it's old. As long as the stink isn't on there, that was my main concern. So it definitely looks better. The only thing is, lost some of the insulation on the side, so I'm gonna have to get some more of that. But we can test it. We can test it without the insulation. So let's see if she fired. We got the stove done, oven, everything. Got it hooked up to the propane. It's off right now. So because I had all of the controls out and the valves and everything, I want to make sure there's no leaks. So I got some soapy water here, and we're going to turn the gas on and make sure the connections aren't bubbling. And actually, we should check this whole manifold. I didn't do that because that'll have all gas in it right now. You'd know it. It'd be like bubbling. Oh, that's leaking right there. See, look right here. That's leaking. So that valve or that connection is no good. It's funny because I didn't even have that one off. All right, let's see if tightening this fixes it. Oh man.
That appears to have stopped it.
That's cool. looks good. So now we crank it over to oven off, but the pilot gas is on. This should light, if I put it together right. It's lit. They're all lit. Pilot light's on. It's on. Oh, there it is. You can see that one. So that thermostat up there should kick it off. I don't know if that works. We never tested that. We'll see if it will warm up and actually kick it off, because we don't know if the thermostat works, which would suck if it didn't. Yep, it's off. That must mean that it works. With the disassembly, there's zero smell. Jesus! With the disassembly, there was zero smell after cleaning of mouse, okay? Of any panel. I had to go back and clean some more because there was some. But anyway, there was no smell. You'd open this thing, you could lick it. There was no smell. Introduce heat, it's starting to smell like mouse. Not terrible, but it's there. So that sucks. So another thing we read on the internet was to boil vinegar or lemon water, or acidic stuff going on here. So we got some apple cider vinegar here, and we got some lemon pieces and some lemon juice that we squeezed in, and there it is right there. So we got the apple cider vinegar. We got it on 500 degrees, full tilt. Man, all I smell is apple cider vinegar now, so that's good. So it's supposed to steam clean it. We'll see. Well, while we were testing the oven, we got hungry. What better time to make our leftover shrimp dinner right on the stove top. We're gonna have a little dinner here, right out in the driveway. We don't even care. All I smell is the vinegar.